Look at that walleye, you guys. Look at that fish, man. Isn't that awesome? They're so cool. First one of the day. Good morning, everyone. It is a beautiful Monday morning, and we're out chasing some walleye. We got 2 rods out, both of them. One's got a worm harness, one's got a slow death rig, and we just put the lines out. We've caught some fish nearby. We're working up to the spot. Passing some areas I just couldn't help but give it a try. So wish us luck and stay tuned. Ooh, we got a fish, you guys. Boy, wonder what it is. Went for a little bit of a run there. Just trying to go nice and slow. It's a good fish, whether it's a bass or a walleye. Got my drag relatively loose, so if he wants to run, he can. And I'm pretty much just towing him on in, so I'm hoping it's going to be a walleye. This is with the worm harness. No! Oh my gosh, I thought he got off. Let's just try to see what this is so I can stop freaking out. It's a walleye. I'm gonna have to let the boat stop though, I think. I thought he got off, you guys. Looks like I got him in a couple different hooks. Yes, you guys. That's so exciting. Check this fish out, you guys. I'm a newbie walleye guy. I just use the lip grips, you guys. I got him a hook though in the mouth and a hook in the belly there. He's got something going on there on the side of his mouth. I don't know what that is exactly. If it's, but look at that fish, you guys. That is a pure eaten walleye, you guys. Probably about 19 inches, I'd guess. Okay, well that's one walleye on green hoochie with like a greenish-ish smile blade and a worm harness, which I like having 2 hooks. Better than the slow death hook. I'm gonna use more probably worm harnesses in the future. They're kind of a pain in the butt to rig. Not really, but putting the hook on is probably the hardest part. It's still early in the morning and it's real dark out, so I'm gonna leave. This has got an extra long lead. This is like a 6-foot leader. And then we got a little different blade, different color. It's darker out here. We're gonna try that. There's a fish right here. Fish on, you guys. Boy. I'm gonna stop the boat. Could be a bass. We'll see. Catching some fish. I love catching these walleyes. It's so fun. I just hope he doesn't come off, but whatever. If it comes off, that's how it is. Like this double hook though. Worm harness I think is good. trying not to horse him out of here. Could be a bass. Oh, it's a walleye. It's going crazy, you guys. Jeez. I got him. These walleye, guys, I don't know why people say they don't fight. And I know they don't. It's not like a bass. But he fought enough, man. Like getting him, it's not, I don't know. Everyone says they're just dead weight, reel them in. But hasn't been my experience. We got some hooks in that mouth. Just that little hook, you guys. Ugh. Come on. Might have to retie that. I don't know. But another eater, you guys. That's about, it's a good 19 inch. 18, 19, you guys. Shh. That's so cool. And yeah, they might not fight the most, but they're nice fish to catch, you guys. Dang. Look at that guy. It's so fun. Okay. We're gonna bleed this fish. Okay, that's two fish on that guy. Let's warm up. Might have a fish on this other one. At 20 foot of line and 14 foot of water, I think there's a fish on that rod. It's gonna have, yeah, there's definitely a fish on that rod. Just take it nice and easy. First fish on this different rig too, and this is awesome out here, you guys. This is so cool. This is gonna be another walleye, I think. And I can kind of see what people mean by they don't fight. They don't go for big long runs, but they do shake. You get them to the water's edge, they get crazy. So I mean, they do stuff. This is a big one, you guys. This is a big one compared to this one. I got one in the net already. Yeah, my gosh, you guys, look at this. Oh my goodness. I thought I'd put this other line out to fish while I could, because I wanted to keep fishing, of course. Well, I got this one all wormed up and catch a freaking hog. Oh my gosh, you guys, it like swiped at it and hooked him in the nose on the outside. That's wild. Look at that fish. And that one's well under 22 inches, which that's 22 inches is when you can only keep one. So that's a good fish. We're gonna keep that fish, you guys. Look at that hog. That's our third fish. Yes, dude, yes. Yes, dude. Look at that fish. You kidding me? That is it's a nice fish. Look at those eyes. They're so cool. I love catching these things. I'm addicted. I am tired this morning, you guys. Got up at 2 in the morning to come do this. Totally worth it, but I'm tired. Okay, we got a fish. Oh geez, is that another one? There's no way that's a double. It's got to be snagged. Hopefully we can keep this one on here. Can't tell if that other one's snagged or if it's a fish. This is definitely a fish. Just going nice and easy. I think this one's snagged, but this is a fish here. Come on, baby, stay on. Stay on. Getting him up to the surface here. He's not liking it. Got him. Another nice walleye, you guys. That's 4. 3 of which have all been on this rod and reel. Let's take a look and see. He's hooked on the first hook, and he's not hooked that well, I guess you could say, but I mean, it's well enough. They just, I don't know, something about trolling is different. Trolling's different, man, but this is so cool. This is just freaking awesome, you guys. Such a neat fish to catch. Their teeth are crazy looking. Just love it. I'm gonna give this one a little bit longer, but if it doesn't start catching something, I'm gonna switch out to something more green, because I got some other green stuff. So coming out here catching these fish are they're not easy to catch, you guys. They're easy, right? And I'm not gonna say they're easy, but they're not easy to catch at all. But the reason I would like to catch a limit, if I'm able to, is you know, I'm not gonna be able to catch fish later. There's a fish right here, you guys. I'm gonna try to keep the boat going. I kind of want to slow down a little. Oh, he just came off. I probably should have slowed down. I hope he didn't break the hook off. I mean, I got the drag pretty loose. He definitely didn't break the hook off. He just popped off. He probably didn't get him on there enough. This one's been hot though, and you can't catch them all. I'm happy that they're biting. I think I missed a fish because my drag was so loose. Doggone it. Definitely had a bite. Like I said, I think that drag was just a bit too loose. I tried to get on him, grabbing it out of the rod holder, and I just couldn't get anything. No leverage on him at all. Darn it. Oh well. Nice to know that that one's gonna maybe catch something. Well, I was up stretching my legs, going through our good spot here. We got a fish and he's on there. Let's keep him on there. I think losing fish is just part of trolling. It just sucks. And this one's got a fish on it too. We got a double, you guys. This one's going crazy and just came off. Dang it, that's annoying, you guys. That is so freaking annoying. I know the rods I use are not really ideal. This one's a medium light, moderate. And it's a pretty good rod for this kind of, being that it's moderate fast and medium light. Makes it a little bit softer. I need longer rods and ones that load up better though, and stay loaded up. I have to finesse the drag so much. It's just different. This one's on the slow death hook. The other one's on the other one, of course. Another walleye. Oh, come on, you bugger. Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh. Guys, these fish are crazy. Can't believe I had a double and I couldn't get him. I mean, I think it's pretty well known that the walleye will short strike your bait and stuff like that, so there's no, oh my gosh, I mean, it's no surprise that I only catch, or I only hook them right there in the lip. But look at that. That's another eater right there. That's another eater for sure. That's number 6. I really wish I could have got this other one. At least this one stayed on. So, okay, guys, like I said, that is number 6. That is number 6. Look at those chompers in there. Boy, surprising they don't break more line. Sorry guys, I turned that recording off. But I didn't know we were on. I just hooked a fish and it was hard knowing he was there. I got the rod out of the rod holder though. And it's just hard to know how much drag to give these fish. It just seems like they want to pop off so easily. He just popped off. He just popped off. We just got that out there too. About to hook myself. That's what he left me. This guy's a little bit smaller. He's probably that. Been catching some hogs, dude. Some real nice ones. Okay, guys, that is nice eater. A little bit smaller than the rest, but that's a keeper for sure. We don't want to get rid of that guy. So that's 7. This is some number 7 for us. Okay, guys, got another one. Might be a little bit smaller of a one. Shaking all over. Oh yeah, it's a small one. Popped off. No. Stop it. Okay. There he is. And there he goes. Okay, we are going to reel up. We're gonna go for a boat ride, try to find a different area or some different ground. Might just be time for us to try the other side of the lake. I know there's a couple fish over there. I've gotten bites when I've been over there. Just haven't been able to hook them. There's a really big rise or really deep drop off, however you want to think of it, but it's kind of hard to fish. I think you just have to know it's there. Will help a bunch. I think we're gonna give it a try. All right, you guys, 1 fish to go. We made it to the other side of the lake, and there's a spot up the way here before long that I've gotten bites at, so maybe we can hook up this time. been by there and got a couple different bites, and I still haven't been able to hook up with the fish there. So maybe there's some nice ones in that area as well. I did change out my my bottom bouncer, my weights. I now have 2 ounces on. More fish looking stuff. I think there's going to be a fish in this flat here. It's lots of rocks, it's flat, and then coming up there's going to be a nice drop off and so on. There's a fish right there. Oh boy. Oh, I hope it doesn't get off, you guys. I'm gonna keep the boat moving. Every time I talk, I'm gonna turn the boat off actually. Boat is stopped. This is a good fish too. Definitely a good fish. Don't want to horse them in, but I don't want to give them a bunch of slack either. Could be a bass. Thinking it's probably not going to be a bass, but it is feisty. It's another good walleye. That's a limit, you guys. That is a limit of eyes. And the hook came out as he's flipping and flappering in here. Ow. Not one of the biggest ones we've caught today, but that's an eater right there. Boy, he's a toothy guy. He is a toothy one. There he is. That's our final fish. A good, I'd say 17 incher. There we go. Let's take a look. Try to make this quick on him. Yeah, about 17 and a half. Beautiful. Well, you guys, got this last fish all bled. Got my rods put away. We're ready to trek on back. Should be 20-30 minutes to the boat ramp. There is our last fish of the day. Look at those chompers. Nice 17, I think it said, 17 and a halfer. Great eating fish. So much meat on these guys. What a great day. Thank you all for coming along and joining me today, and wish you guys all good luck out there in your own adventures, and we'll see you next time.